Okay friends, gather round because today we're diving deep into a truly fascinating topic, the potential of castor oil in addressing cataracts. Yes, you heard that right, cataracts. Now before we embark on this journey of discovery, let's take a moment to truly appreciate the marvel that is the human eye. Think about it. Our eyes are arguably the most precious, the most indispensable organs in our entire body. They are the windows to our world, allowing us to perceive the breathtaking tapestry of images and colors that surround us. They enable us to connect with loved ones, to witness stunning sunsets, to read captivating books, and to navigate the complexities of our daily lives. But what happens when those windows become clouded, when our vision becomes impaired? That's where cataracts come into play. Cataracts, as many of you know, can be incredibly uncomfortable, even debilitating. They essentially create a veil over our eyes, diminishing our visual acuity, our ability to see clearly. This condition, unfortunately, affects a significant portion of the population, particularly those over the age of 65. However, it's crucial to remember that cataracts can develop at any stage of life, regardless of age. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly causes these pesky cataracts? Well, the truth is, there's no single culprit. Cataracts can be triggered by a variety of factors, including, but not limited to, the natural aging process, nutritional deficiencies, particularly a lack of essential vitamins, underlying health conditions such as diabetes, other pre-existing eye conditions, or even the prolonged use of certain medications, like corticosteroids. Each of these factors can contribute to the gradual clouding of the lens within the eye, leading to impaired vision. But here's the good news. The silver lining in this cloudy situation, castor oil, a time-tested natural remedy, has been used for centuries, even millennia, to potentially treat eye conditions and, over time, mitigate the effects of cataracts. This isn't some newfangled fad, it's a practice rooted in ancient wisdom and tradition, passed down through generations. So, what makes castor oil so special? Well, for one thing, it's an absolute powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and vitamin C. These vital nutrients are like the superheroes of the cellular world, tirelessly fighting off free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, including those in our eyes. People all over the world have turned to castor oil to address cataracts and other eye ailments, attesting to its widespread use and perceived effectiveness. Now, if you're intrigued and want to give this natural remedy a try, it's absolutely crucial that you use the right kind of castor oil. We're talking about pure, cold-pressed, USP-grade castor oil, which is hexane-free. This isn't just a matter of preference, it's about ensuring your safety. Pharmaceutical-grade castor oil is the gold standard, as it guarantees that the oil is free from any potentially harmful chemicals or additives. You'll also need a sterile eyedropper bottle, a simple tool that allows for precise and hygienic application. The application process itself is quite straightforward. Before you drift off to sleep, gently place 2 drops of castor oil into each eye. Think of it as a nourishing overnight treatment for your eyes. The oil will act as an ointment, lubricating and soothing the eyes. Now be aware that your vision might become temporarily blurry after application, which is precisely why we recommend doing this before bed. It allows the oil to work its magic while you sleep peacefully. So, how does castor oil actually work its wonders? Well, those potent antioxidants we mentioned earlier play a starring role. They diligently combat free radical damage within the delicate tissues of the eyes, promoting natural healing processes and potentially reducing the cloudiness associated with cataracts. However, it's important to be realistic. This isn't an overnight miracle cure. The healing process typically takes anywhere from 1 to 6 months, depending on the severity of the cataract and individual factors. Patience, my friends, is a virtue, especially when it comes to natural healing. But wait, there's more. Castor oil doesn't just address cataracts, it also tackles the widespread issue of dry eyes, a common complaint among people of all ages. By stimulating tear production, castor oil helps to keep your eyes lubricated, comfortable, and healthy. It's like a 2-for-1 deal for your precious peepers. Now here's a fascinating tidbit. A growing number of medical professionals believe that free radicals, those mischievous molecules, are a major culprit behind not only cataracts, but also glaucoma, another serious eye condition. This highlights the importance of a diet rich in antioxidants, those free radical fighting superheroes. So, load up on those colorful fruits and vegetables, and consider adding a splash of fresh coconut water to your daily routine. The minerals in coconut water can actually help to relax the proteins within the lens of the eye, further supporting eye health. It's a holistic approach to keeping your eyes bright and sparkling. And remember, the benefits of castor oil extend far beyond eye health. It's a true multitasker in the natural remedy world. If you're curious to learn more about the myriad uses of castor oil, or if you're interested in exploring other natural remedies for eye health, we invite you to check out our other videos. We've got a treasure trove of information waiting for you. In the meantime, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this eye-opening adventure. Your support means the world to us, so please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-inspiring content. We're passionate about empowering you on your journey to optimal well-being. And as always, we wish you abundant health, wealth, and happiness in all aspects of your life. Take care of those precious eyes, and remember, the world is a beautiful place, just waiting to be seen.